The scariest stories are the ones that are true.
A few months ago I downloaded a program for my phone, Sleep as Android. I bought the premium version of the app for the extra features to record sound throughout the night when volumes reached a certain threshold. It would activate when I would snore or move around. I would usually spend the next evening going over some of the recorded sounds. Everything was pretty normal until I listened to something out of the ordinary. It was near the beginning of April, and I had the apartment to myself. I'll let you listen to the sound before I go on explaining it. It started out picking up my snoring, and then the hairs on my neck stood up as I hear my doorknob moving. Following this, you can hear my door open slowly. I was confused and a little worried. Everything was still locked up, nobody came home, the chain lock was still latched on the front door, and my landlord certainly didn't come. I don't use the app anymore.